Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Goodbudget can help you create a monthly budget. Goodbudget is a personal finance application built specifically around the digital envelope budgeting system. Instead of relying on physical cash envelopes, the platform digitizes the process, allowing you to divide your monthly income into specific virtual spending categories. When building a monthly budget using the platform, the process starts by inputting your total monthly income. Once your income is established, you distribute those funds across various digital envelopes designated for fixed expenses, variable costs, and savings targets. Examples of common categories include rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and debt repayment. The system operates on a periodic budgeting schedule that can match your specific cash flow. Whether you get paid monthly, semi-monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly, you can align your budget cycles accordingly. As you spend money throughout the month, you log your transactions, and the app subtracts the corresponding amounts from your designated envelopes. This structure provides instant visibility into how much money you have left in a specific category before you overspend. The platform offers two primary tiers for users. The free version allows you to set up a limited number of envelopes and requires you to enter your transactions manually. The paid subscription tier unlocks unlimited envelopes, allows you to sync across multiple devices, and provides automatic bank import features, so your transactions populate directly. Additionally, the application supports household budgeting. You can share a single budget across multiple devices, enabling partners or family members to view and update envelope balances in real time. This makes it easier for multiple people to stay on the same page regarding shared household expenses. Beyond day-to-day tracking, the app includes tools for long-term financial planning. You can set up annual envelopes to save for infrequent expenses like car insurance, medical bills, or holiday gifts. It also features debt tracking tools to help monitor your payoff progress over time. However, the platform has distinct boundaries. It focuses strictly on budgeting and envelope allocation, meaning it does not include advanced investment tracking or net worth monitoring tools. If your primary goal is day-to-day expense control using the envelope method, it provides a structured framework to organize your monthly finances effectively. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.